My hydration tube, my source hydration bladder. Yeah, that shit's frozen. Ain't no drinking out the Camelback today. Camelback is completely frozen, along with everything. Every time I gotta keep walking because I'm at 1% battery on my e-bike, and if I even stop walking for too long, them wheels are gonna stop moving. It's crazy because this is Tallahassee. What has happened to Tallahassee? Completely frozen Tallahassee. I was using the Emulent DX80 right here. My Emulent DX80. I was using it to thaw out the ice because it gets so damn hot. Well, guess what? Emulent DX80 is out of battery. So there. And now this camera's gonna run out of battery. All my batteries and electronics are acting funny. It's too damn, I don't know